This is the activity which relates to the total surface area of a cube. The objective of the activity is to draw a net for a cube and then to find its total surface area. Let's study the concept in hand first. So whenever you have a cube, you draw a cube by drawing a square first and then drawing another exactly same square inside the first one like this, and then joining the corners or the vertices like this. So this forms a cube. In this cube, there are 6 faces and all the 6 faces are squares. If you have to find the total surface area of this cube, you have to add the area of the 6 faces. So areas of 6 faces will give you the total surface area of the cube. If you assume that the side of the cube is A, that means all the length, breadths and the heights, everything is A here, then the area of one of the squares is going to be A times A, that is A square. And how many faces are there? There are 6 faces. So the total surface area will be 6 times A, which is 6A square. And that is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cube. Let's see how we can derive this formula using the activity, and the material required for this activity is graph paper, scissors, glue and geometry box. Let's now perform this activity of finding the total surface area of a cube.
Here you can see we have a net which can be used to convert this in the form of a cube. So we have named the 6 faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now if you fold this net along the dotted lines like this, like this, like this and like this, the top face will close this cube. So this becomes a closed cube. You can see even if I am handling it myself here, this looks more like a cube and this resembles like a dice. And when you have a dice, all the 6 faces, this is phase number 1, this is a square. So if the length of the side or of this square is L and this is also L, then this particular phase 1 will have an area equal to L square. Likewise, if you see the second area here, this one, that also is a square of side L, so the area is L square again. Likewise, the 6th phase here, the 3rd phase and all the other phases like the 5th phase here, everything will have an area equal to L square. How many faces are there? If you open the net and count, it is 6 faces, and therefore the total surface area of the cube formed by this net will be 6 times L square. And that completes our activity on finding the total surface area of a cube.